The delta M of a given ray Q is approximately... The formula escapes me.
Hey!
1.